Hello investors, my name is Dehan and welcome back to your number one place for all your investing needs. So guys, as we've been following BNGO, it's been rocketing on up for the past 2 days. Today was up about 57.89% and after hours it was up another 8%. This stock is, it was trading at close to $3 per share today. So we alerted this stock obviously at around $1 per share and it hit highs of about, like we said, $2.68. So over 150% gain. Now, if you guys are interested in these type of gains, don't miss out. Stick around to the channel and let's get into the 3 top tech penny stocks right now. The first tech penny stock we're going to be talking about is going to be Professional Diversity Network. So Professional Diversity Network is no stranger to big moves in short time frames. It's also no stranger for leaving traders holding the bag. If IPDN is on your list of penny stocks to watch, understand volatility can play a huge role right now. And obviously, like we said, so Wednesday morning, the company announced a partnership with KALA Network. KALA is a technology company specializing in confidentiality, preserving, and privacy-first blockchain application development. As we know, Bitcoin and blockchain stocks are, in a very bright spotlight right now, obviously, as Bitcoin is rocketing on up. We've actually just passed about 29,000 for Bitcoin price currently, which is amazing. And again, situations like this can pose a higher degree of risk / reward. As we've already seen today, IPDN stock skyrocketed early to highs of about $5.56 and almost immediately pulled back soon after that. That pullback was a hefty 31%. Professional Diversity Network has been in the trading discussion off and on for the past few months. Mainly, the company focuses on matching qualified job seekers with employers and helping to break down barriers for all job seekers. This latest to build a blockchain option into its platform could further enhance PDN's offering. Regardless of the fundamentals here, the big focus is on the short term, is likely a low float penny stock with a news catalyst. So again, if PDN stock is on your list, keep this in mind and let's take a look at the chart. So here, if we take a look at the 1-year chart, obviously, short-term, mid-term, long-term, the analysts are very, very bullish on this stock. And this stock has actually exploded today. So let's take a look here on the 1-month chart just to see what's going on. Actually, we'll change it to the 3-month. So this stock has been, consolidating and trading around this $1 area. That is kind of like the support area that we have. And that's what's been going on for the past few months. The stock broke out and, made about a 50% gain. And then we pulled back down again and hit that support level at $1. And once again today with this huge news, the stock, boomed from about, $1, $1.30, $1.40, all the way to $2.74. And like it shows right here, we made 100% gain on this stock today. So let's say you had $1,000 invested in this penny stock. Right now you would have $2,000. So you made 100% gain on this penny stock. Now what we're going to be watching is obviously volume. Volume was 119 million shares. That's a huge player, especially with low float penny stocks. The volume can really push these stocks up on, great news like this. So we're going to be looking out for positive news to continue into, the rest of the week and then next week as well to see if this stock continues to make new highs and continues the trend up, or if it's going to take a pullback since it's blown out of proportion and been, a little bit high right now, over 100% gain. We'll have to keep an eye out on it and see if it pulls down or continues that trend up. So guys, if you guys are enjoying these type of penny stock videos, you guys have seen it all week long on my channel, go ahead and smash that like button. Let's get 100 plus likes on this video. Subscribe to the channel and turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time I make a new video. I'm making penny stocks videos every single week for you guys, and you guys seem to be loving it. If you guys want to do some paper trading, go get your 4 free stocks with Webull. Links in the description. 2 of those stocks could be worth up to $1,600. Link in the description also for Robinhood. Get your free stock when you sign up today. The second tech penny stock we're going to be watching is going to be GEE Group, ticker symbol JOBS. So this one right here, it could be moving in sympathy with IPDN. The company, as the stock symbol may suggest, is a staffing solutions provider. Unlike IPDN, JOBS stock has been climbing the last few days and further extending gains on Wednesday. What else has helped this news is specifically GEE Group announced its fiscal 2020 and Q4 results late Tuesday afternoon. Revenue for the quarter was down compared to the same period in 2019. This was echoed in the total year's revenue as well. However, moving forward into 2021, it looks like the company expects the recovery trend to take hold. This is what their chairman and chief executive officer of GE Group said. Demand for our services through the end of 2020, absent the holiday schedule, continues to improve. We anticipate that the employment environment will continue to recover as we enter the new year. The widespread use of on-demand labor Continued requirements for full-time hires will benefit our company in 2021 and beyond. Our talented field leadership team and local office professional staff continue to deliver outstanding customer service, and thus we are optimistic about GE Group's continued success as we enter into 2021. Now, whether it's the sympathy momentum fueling this move or headlines catalyst, job stock has history of quick jumps and swift pullbacks. In light of this, it's important to keep the technical trend in mind. So let's take a look at this one. So this one down here was trading around 22 cents before the Rona started, obviously. And then right here, boom, huge volume, 80 million shares. Usually it doesn't even trade, 100 or 200,000 shares. So 80 million shares. Stock, boom, hits a high here about $2.49, almost $2.50. And then obviously pulled back down. And here we see this beautiful, beautiful pattern. What do we see here? So we see some consolidation. So our support level is going to be here around this $1 area. This is our new support level. This is where we consolidated, and hopefully the stock continues to stay in this trend and then break out. We're going to be looking for a breakout here, because if it breaks down, into the bottom, then we could hit all the way down here to about 50 cents. So that's not good. We would lose 50% of our profits on this one. So we're hoping for this continue to trend up, pick up some more volume, and this stock to continue to going, hit that $1.50 per share, and then continue to trend on up after that. So what we're going to be looking forward to in 2021 with this stock is going to be some positive news, some movement, some revenue, and just some big, catalysts going on with it. That's going to definitely help this stock push up. So definitely keep an eye out on this one into 2021. And the third tech penny stock we're going to be looking at is going to be IZEA Worldwide Inc. So IZEA Worldwide Inc. is another one of the tech stocks to watch. However, unlike IPDN and JOP, IZEA stock has seen a more consistent trend in December. Huge jump in price, the move came with plenty of volume, consistent price appreciation, and news. The company most recently announced a new contract for influencer marketing services. It came from an existing client who is a Fortune 100 retailer, according to IZEA. So further to this, IZEA explained that the contract, in combination with other recent wins, pushed its managed services booking growth in Q4 to 47%, compared to last year. So this is what their chairman and CEO said. We are thrilled to be able to deliver annual growth of managed services bookings during the most challenging and unpredictable year in our history. While we are winding down the 2020 calendar year, our team remains focused on maintaining our positive momentum and entering 2021 with the wind at our back. So obviously right here, earlier this month, the company announced strong growth in the managed service bookings. At that time, the year-over-year increase for the fourth quarter was already 40%. Furthermore, managed services customers counted more than doubled between the third and the fourth quarter this year, according to IZEA. In light of this growth, will this continue into 2021 and have even a stronger year? So what we're going to be looking at here is going to be pre-Rona. It was 16, 17 cents. This was so little. It's so little stock. So 17 cents. And now it's, around $1.90. If you had invested $1,000 into this stock would be worth around $16,000, $17,000 right now for you. You would have made over 1,700% profit on this penny stock. So that is just a huge jump. I mean, look here, with volume, the stock went from about 60 cents all the way to a high here, about $1.28. We had 45 million shares traded, 133 million shares. So volume is a big key player, like we said, especially with the low float penny stocks, because volume can just push them up so much. Short-term, mid-term, long-term analysts are saying this is going to be a very, very bullish stock to look at. Obviously, the stock came back down and then made another push here with volume from about $1.16 to about $1.86. And then we just continue this trend down, and it seems like we created, we bounced off of this previous support where it was around 70 cents area, and that's where we stayed. So the previous resistance now is our support. So the previous resistance became our support level currently, which is around that 70 cents area, and we see, continue to go up a little bit, and volume picked up. We had 27 million shares, 28 million shares, and then another day of 29 million shares almost. The stock went from 86 cents all the way to about $1.92. So we made over 100% gain already right there, just if you would have held from, the past 2 or 3 weeks. So what we're going to be looking forward to with this one is the volume to continue to push up, and obviously positive news, some more data and profits obviously in 2021, and then hopefully this one can push through that $2. Once it pushes through that $2, we have all the way up to $3 to hit our next, resistance, which was our previous high at around $3 that we hit here in, July. So it was almost $3 per share right there. Once we beat that, we can continue to roll on up, especially if volume and news comes out with the stock in the future. This could potentially be a very, very nice gain for all investors who invest invest into. So guys, once again, these are going to be the 3 tech penny stocks obviously to watch right now going into 2021. These are penny stocks that have some high potential going into 2021, as they've done pretty well in 2020, even with the pandemic going on and everything like that. The stocks have been continuing to go up, and that's a positive thing obviously for us, and we're going to hope for some more positive news and obviously more profits in 2021, and maybe these penny stocks will continue to roll and we can make even more gains. I mean, as you saw, there were penny stocks on our list that made 1,500% gain in the previous year. So let's just imagine what's going to happen in the next year, and hopefully we can repeat those gains once again, and history might repeat itself, so maybe some more gains on the horizon. So obviously guys, if you enjoy this type of content, go ahead and smash that like button for me. Let's get 100 plus likes on this video like we said. Subscribe to the channel for more penny stock videos. I'll make videos on penny stocks, blue chip stocks, dividend stocks, all types of stock investing videos. So if you're interested in that, stick around with the channel. Leave a comment below. What penny stocks are you buying right now, and what penny stocks have you made some profits on? Have you got any 1000% gainers or not? As always, I'm not a financial advisor, but before investing into any type of stocks, especially penny stocks, talk to your financial advisor and do your own research. This video is just intended for entertainment purposes, so do your own research before investing. I hope to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.